Hey guys, so this is chapter 9 and 9. So the question is statistic instructors and let's look for backs, and then that's it, blah blah. So we're gonna open Statcrunch. Yeah, so for this question we have to use Statcrunch. So it's gonna be the stats one sample with data. So just select this one and this one, and that's it. So we're gonna copy the first three and then confidence population, and that this one, and then another one is this one. It's gonna be 7, yeah. So yeah, so the next question is, does the interval 10 pounds to capture 10 pounds, yeah. So the possible interval should be within between these two numbers, so it doesn't capture and reject, and it's 10 is not in the interval, and that's it. Thank you.